Today, I am reviewing the Epson RapidReceipt RR-600W wireless desktop scanner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The scanning experience itself is where the RR-600W immediately separates itself from cheaper document scanners. Feeding a large stack of mixed receipts, invoices, and standard documents into the 100-page auto document feeder feels almost effortless. The TrueFeed technology does exactly what it promises. Papers of different sizes move through smoothly, skew correction works reliably, and the scanner actively protects against jams and accidental staple damage. This matters more than specs suggest, because anyone who scans in volume knows how quickly a single jam can break workflow and concentration. With the scanner, the process feels controlled and predictable, even when the input documents are not. Speed is another area where this scanner earns its premium positioning. Duplex scanning happens in a single pass, and the real-world performance feels genuinely fast rather than just fast on paper. Scanning both sides at up to 35 pages per minute means large batches are completed before you even have time to get distracted. What's important is that speed does not come at the cost of clarity. Text remains crisp, colors are accurate, and fine details on receipts are preserved well enough for reliable data extraction. You don't feel the need to rescan or double-check output, which is crucial in business or accounting workflows. Where the Epson RapidReceipt RR-600W truly stands out is in how it handles scanned data after the scan is complete. The ScanSmart AI PRO software transforms the scanner from a simple hardware device into a full document management tool. Receipts and invoices are intelligently recognized, key information is extracted, and files are automatically categorized in a way that feels surprisingly accurate. This is not gimmicky AI labeling. It genuinely reduces manual sorting and naming, especially for users dealing with financial documents daily. Exporting scanned data into financial software like QuickBooks or TurboTax is smooth and practical, not just a checkbox feature. For small business owners, freelancers, accountants, or anyone managing expense reports, this integration saves real hours over time. Instead of scanning receipts and then manually entering data, the scanner does most of the heavy lifting. Errors are reduced, consistency improves, and record-keeping becomes far less stressful, especially during tax season. The touchscreen interface adds another layer of convenience that becomes more valuable the longer you use the device. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen is responsive, easy to navigate, and well-organized. Scanning without a connected PC feels natural rather than limited. Sending scans directly to email, cloud storage, or a USB flash drive works reliably, which is ideal for shared offices or situations where multiple people need access to the scanner without logging into a single computer. This PC-free operation gives the RR-600W flexibility that many desktop scanners simply don't offer. Wireless connectivity is handled well, and once configured, it remains stable. Scanning from different devices or locations within the same workspace doesn't introduce confusion or lag. For Mac and PC users working in mixed environments, this cross-platform compatibility removes common headaches and makes the scanner easy to integrate into existing setups. From a design and usability perspective, the RR-600W feels professional and purpose-built. It doesn't try to be compact at the expense of functionality, and it doesn't look overly industrial either. Buttons, menus, and prompts are intuitive enough that minimal training is required. This matters in offices where not everyone is technically inclined, yet everyone needs reliable access to scanning. Over longer periods of use, the scanner proves to be consistent, which is arguably its strongest trait. It doesn't demand constant attention, troubleshooting, or recalibration. You load documents, initiate the scan, and move on to more important tasks while it works in the background. That kind of reliability is what separates professional equipment from consumer-grade alternatives. The Epson RapidReceipt RR-600W ultimately feels like an investment rather than a purchase. It's designed for people who value time, accuracy, and organization more than saving a little upfront cost. If your workflow involves receipts, invoices, contracts, or frequent document digitization, this scanner doesn't just improve efficiency, it changes your relationship with paperwork. Instead of paper being a bottleneck, it becomes something that is quickly processed, categorized, and archived with minimal effort. That quiet efficiency is what makes the RR-600W genuinely impressive in real-world use.